Hello everyone, welcome to Minty Minjay Arise channel and Facebook page. How are you today? Okay, today we will keep going on lesson 36 that talks about the Garden of Gethsemane. So in this video, we will learn 6 vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Our first word we have mystery. Mystery. Mystery is a noun. For example, who had taken the books? It was mysteries. Who had taken the books? It was mysteries. Mysteries. Second word we have mysterious. Mysterious. Mysterious is an adjective. For example, God works in mysterious ways. God works in mysterious ways. Mysterious. Third word we have danger. Danger. Danger is a noun. For example, the shepherd protects their sheep from danger. The shepherd protects their sheep from danger. Danger. The fourth word we have dangerous. Dangerous. Dangerous is an adjective. For example, the lake is very dangerous to swim alone. The lake is very dangerous to swim alone. Dangerous. The fifth word we have wind. Wind. Wind is a noun. It's hard sailing when there is no wind. It's hard sailing when there is no wind. Wind. The last word we have windy. Windy. Windy is an adjective. For example, it's too windy to go out on the boat. It's windy to go out on the boat. Windy. Okay, everyone, now I want you to repeat after me. So are you ready? Okay, let's start it. Mystery. Mystery. Mysterious. Mysterious. Danger. Danger. Dangerous. Dangerous. Wind. Wind. Windy. Windy. Okay, good job everyone. Okay, thank you so much for spending time watching the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to make sentence or sentences by using the word that we have learned. And if you want to learn more with Miss Jenny Taylor, just click the link below. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.